tabletop, fingers spread nice and wide, knees hips distance apart. Pull the belly up and reach your tailbone back. And then take your eye gaze to like right between your fingertips and reach the top of your head forward while you're pulling up to the belly. Gently soften your heart down towards the ground, but pull the belly towards the spine. Nice, engaged tabletop. So holding this for 5 breaths. Pulling up to that pelvic floor, pulling that belly in, pressing the hands into the ground. Gently soften your heart down, but pull the belly in. Start to release this. Let's come into cow pose. Inhale, tailbone rises, belly drops, comes forward. Exhale, round and curl the tailbone down, arching the back, broadening the shoulders, pressing the hands into the mat. Chin to the chest, now lift the belly up. This is cat pose. So finding some breath, inhale, come back into cow. Finding that movement in the spine. Exhale, coming into cat. You might want to do 3 to 5 to 10 of these, depending on how your body feels for the day. And then coming back into your tabletop, take your shoulder towards your hip, take an eye gaze over to the right. Bring it back into tabletop and take your left shoulder to your left hip, eye gaze to your left. Bring it back forward. Come down to your forearms, then reach your hands out. This is a nice little puppy pose. So something we didn't work on, but pull the belly in, shoulders out of the ears, long spine. Something new you can practice at home. Walk your hands back into this tabletop, knees wide, and come into this child's pose once again.